Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see, we're going to make some fried chicken with some beautiful pasta, some spaghetti, fresh basil, onions, olives, just absolute goodness. Very sort of rustic and wholesome, delicious stuff. Let's get moving. Okay, let's get started on our chicken. So as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3. I'm using chicken legs. Now you could be using any part of the chicken you want. I just prefer the legs for this one. Skin on and the bone is in. Some olive oil, and here 5 little things here: salt and pepper, paprika, oregano and thyme. What we're going to do is get these in a mixing bowl and get all that in with it, give it a little rub, then we're going to fry it off. Okay, here we go. Got myself a bit of a latex glove on, so I'm going to get my hand in there. So chicken's in. Let's get that olive oil in there, and then oregano, salt, pepper, paprika and thyme. I like that little mix. Play around with this if you want. Okay, I'm just going to rub this around for a minute or so, then we're going to get to the cooker. See you in a minute. Okay, so I've got my pan here. I'm using this wok. You're going to need a sort of skillet or a wok or a pan or something. It's dry. I've not added any oil because of course we've got plenty of oil here. Simply, let's get this in. And what we're going to do, we're on a medium heat. Don't go crazy with the heat because I don't want to burn the outside and then the inside's raw. So medium heat. I'm going to go with this for about 8 or 9 minutes. And I'll be turning it often. Okay, off goes the heat. As you can hear, these will be cooking really sort of nice and low and slow there. And they're absolutely beautiful. Right, let's get them out, we can move on. Okay then, so our chicken is done. We're gonna make a really simple but delicious sauce. So I've got like 1 large tomato there, 1 onion. I've got some green olives, you could be using black if you want. I've got a nice heaped tablespoon of chopped garlic, and there I've got a nice handful of fresh basil. We're gonna get over to the cooker, start this off with some olive oil, add a bit of salt and pepper, and also you're gonna need some cooked pasta. I'm using spaghetti today. Let's get over there. Okay, got my wok here. You're gonna need a pan or a wok or something like that. Olive oil in. Let's chop in our onion and get the heat fairly high now. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Fabulous, these onions are just changing colour. We're now going to drop in our chopped garlic. I'm going to pop those olives in now. Black pepper. Salt. That fresh tomato. That handful of fresh basil. So easy, so beautiful. I'll be back in 4 minutes. Keep it moving now. And this is absolutely delightful. Super happy where that is now. At this point, I'm going to get in my spaghetti. We're going to go for about 3 minutes, staying on this high heat. We're going to be mixing all of these beautiful fresh ingredients into that pasta, and then I'm going to dish it up. We're going to place our chicken on the top, and we're done. And there you go, absolutely wonderful. That really is delicious, really nice and simple, rustic, wholesome, beautiful chicken with spaghetti. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a message and say hi. We'd always like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.